Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play daily matches of Icon Journey in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So, this Icon Journey token update. Let's see the news first. This one, Icon Journey token update. There are now more tokens being added to your Icon Journey. Play the daily matches to earn more rewards on your path to redeeming 92 OVR Icon Zinedine Zidane. So this is the update of the Icon Journey. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. So let's get started by tap the play button, tap the live events, tap the Icon Journey. This is the Icon Journey of Zinedine Zidane. So make sure you have this Zinedine Zidane, the 82. And let's see. Make sure also you already done this first rematch, the second rematch, and tap the get the icon rewards. After that, make sure you win this, and you can get daily reward. And this one, the last match. You have to play this to get the 40 icon journey token, and also best player and chance to get the Zinedine Zidane to rank up your Zinedine Zidane. So just tap the play. Welcome to the icon journey. Now this is 90 or 90 minutes play. This is a full match. Make sure you win this game. No need to rush, just build up slowly. And make sure you win this game to get the token and unlock the next stages. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.